Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are uncovering the 20 nations that hold the keys to the global economy. From secret banking hubs to the factories that power your life, these are the countries that control the world's most powerful industries. Subscribe and stay blessed.
We're halfway through the list, and the data is only getting more surprising. If you're finding this breakdown valuable, hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss our weekly deep dives into the hidden forces running our world. Enjoying the journey so far? Let's keep going. Stay blessed.